Time, or duration, also plays a considerable role in assessing the validity of an offer. First off, offers are not indefinite. They only last for a certain amount of time. Once an offer has expired, it doesn't exist anymore, and therefore an offeree cannot accept it. A new offer would have to be made if the offeror is inclined to do so, and only that new offer can be accepted. However, once it has been accepted, an offer cannot be revoked anymore. The acceptance completes the formation of the contract, and the offeror cannot unilaterally withdraw the offer and avoid the contract. In contrast, if an offer is rejected by the offeree, then the offer is terminated and it cannot be reinstated. Again, the offeror would have to make a new offer if he still wishes to try to enter into a contract. Certain events prior to acceptance may also end the offer by operation of law. This means that the offer ends without the offeror having to specifically revoke the offer. This includes situations where the subject matter of the offer has been destroyed. For instance, if someone makes an offer for the purchase of a house, and before the offer has been accepted, the house burns down, the offer would be automatically revoked by operation of law. It also includes offers where the offeror, after having made an offer, dies or becomes incompetent, for instance due to mental illness or otherwise. Again, the offer would be revoked under these circumstances. Finally, an offer would also be revoked by operation of law when it becomes illegal. An example of this would be an offer for the purchase of a health or dietary supplement, and the supplement is subsequently banned by the government due to concerns about its safety. Once the ban is implemented, the offer ends, and an offeree could not accept it anymore, even if they wanted to do so. Conversely, as an exception to the general rule, there are some types of offers that cannot be revoked prior to acceptance. This includes in particular so-called option contracts. Option contracts are instances where a party provides consideration, that is, something of value, to keep the offer open for a specified amount of time. In those cases, a separate option contract is formed, and the offer to enter into the main contract is irrevocable during that time period. Options often entail the right to buy or sell something in the future. For example, a call option gives the holder of the option the right to buy shares, while put options give the right to sell shares. The right to buy or sell is the option, while the actual purchase or sale of shares is the main contract, which, however, only comes to fruition if the party that has been given the option decides to exercise its right to buy or sell. The holder of the option pays specifically for the right to exercise the option at some point in the future, and it would undermine the very nature of the option if that right could be unilaterally revoked by an offeror who revokes the offer.